Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our new class. In this lesson, we will be learning calendar, days of the week, and how we can interact, how we can construct simple sentences by knowing just days of the week. Okay, in this video, we will learn days of the week, we'll practice, and we'll look at the months too in Uzbek language. So, this is the week, days of the week, and this is how we read it. Dushanba, Monday, Seshamba, Tuesday, Çarşamba, Wednesday, Payşamba, Thursday, Cuma, Friday, Şamba, Saturday, Yakşamba, Sunday. Okay? And before I read that again, I would like to pay attention to the blue part of these words, especially here and here. So it's known that Uzbek language has words from Tajik, and we have this Tajik counting from 1 to 5. 1, yak, du is 2, se is 3, chor is 4, panch is 5. Yak, du, se, chor, panch. Yak, du, se, chor, panch. Okay, so in English, when we say days of the week, we always add the word day, Monday, Tuesday. In Uzbek, we add the word shamba. Yak shamba. Du shamba. Yak shamba. Du shamba. Se shamba. Chor shamba. Pay shamba. Cuma shamba. Here's shamba, which is Saturday. Take the Saturday word and add to 1 to 5, from 1 to 5 of Tajik counting. Of course, if you think that way, you may be confused. So just learn Dushanba, Seshamba, Çarşamba, Payşamba, Cuma, Şamba, Yakşamba. Here's a little tip how to remember these words. Every time we say today is this day, yesterday was that day, tomorrow will be that day, we are actually trying to use the days of the week in our daily life. So today is bugün. Bugün. Bugün is today. Ertege. Ertege is tomorrow. Tomorrow. Keçe is yesterday. Yesterday. Okay? So keç could be also late. Like when we say hayırlı keç, we say good evening. Or sometimes with keç, we have keçden oldun, which means the day before yesterday. And sometimes if I say the day before yesterday, then people say, what's the day after tomorrow? I say, indinge. Keçeden oldun, indinge. You need these only if you're actually trying to specify when something happened or when something will happen. But actually, I'm talking about this word, which is yesterday. And I've decided to give you this. Sometimes I've been asked, what is this or that? So, coming back to today, tomorrow, and yesterday. So, let's imagine bugün şamba, which means today is Saturday. Then yesterday was Friday, right? Keçe, cuma, edi. Edi means was. Ertege, tomorrow. Yakşamba, boladı. Ertege, yakşamba, boladı. Bugün şamba, keçe, cuma edi. Ertege, yakşamba, boladı. Okay, and you can use this every single day. To remember days of the week, you imagine today is Wednesday. So, if it's Wednesday, it's çarşamba, right? Bugün çarşamba. Keçe seyşamba edi. Ertege payşamba boladı. And of course, use it any days. Bugün nima kun means what day is today? Keçe nima kun edi? What day was yesterday? Ertege nima kun boladı? What day will be tomorrow? Bugün nima kun? Bugün şamba. Keçe nima kun edi? kecha juma edi. Ertaga nima kun bo'ladi? Ertaga yakshanba bo'ladi. So this is what I just did. Question, answer, question, answer. Bugun nima kun? Bugun dushanba. Imagine today is Monday. Bugun nima kun? Bugun dushanba. Kecha nima kun edi? What was yesterday? What day was yesterday? Kecha yakshanba edi. Ertaga nima kun bo'ladi? Ertaga seshanba bo'ladi. Tomorrow is Tuesday. So, in order to memorize days of the week in a more creative way, I would like to show you a little short song. The text of it is written by Namoz Rasulov. Namoz aka, assalomu alaykum. And this is how you sing it. Dushanba, seshanba, chorshanba, payshanba, keyin juma va shanba, oxiri yakshanba. Dushanba, seshanba, chorshanba, payshanba, keyin juma va shanba, oxiri yakshanba. Yetti opa ukamiz turib doim bir safda, biz ketma-ket kelamiz, bizni deydilar hafta. Yetti opa ukamiz turib doim bir safda, biz ketma-ket kelamiz, bizni deydilar hafta. Dushanba, seshanba, chorshanba, payshanba, keyin juma va shanba, oxiri yakshanba. Dushanba, seshanba, chorshanba, payshanba, keyin juma va shanba, oxiri yakshanba. So, as you see in the first part, we just listing days of the week. Dushanba, seshanba, chorshanba, payshanba. Keyin means then. After payshanba, right? After Thursday, we have juma. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday and Saturday. Oxiri, in the end, yakshanba, Sunday. Easy? Easy. You're learning new words like keyin, va, oxiri. Okay? The next part, you could just understand. You don't have to memorize, but if you'd like to, why not? Yetti, 7, opa ukamiz, brothers and sisters. Turib doim bir safda. Bir is one, saf is line. Turib means standing in one line. Biz, we, ketma-ket, one after another. Kelamiz, come, we come one after another. Bizni deydilar hafta. We are called hafta, which means week. We are called week. Dushanba, seshanba, chorshanba, payshanba, keyin juma va shanba, oxiri yakshanba. Very easy, very simple, and easy to sing. Okay, so let's move on. And in this lesson, I would like also remind about months. You could also say, what months is it today, is now? What months was before that? What months will be then? So names of the months are almost like in Russian. Yanvar, January, February, Mart, April, May, июнь, июль, August, September, October, November, December. Even though I'm saying September, October, the spelling is September, October. Okay. So far, we have learned days of the week. We have learned how to say today, tomorrow, and yesterday. And knowing this and this, you can already construct simple sentences like Bugun, dushanba, kecha, seshanba edi. No, dushanba, yakshanba edi. Ertaga, seshanba bo'ladi. Yeah? And also we covered names of the months. So you can say hozir, now, is the name of the month. Okay? And this will already allow you to construct simple sentences, as I said before, and importantly, keep reminding yourself the days of the week every single day until you memorize all of them. Let me know in the comments below what you think about our class, whether it was helpful. This time it was short class just to highlight that calendar routine is very important when we are learning to do little steps and they are successful. And calendar topic is ideal to get that success emotion that in this language you can construct easy, simple sentences. So start with that. Try it at least for a week. Try telling yourself what day today is, what day was yesterday, what day will be tomorrow, and in like a week or so, you will not confuse days of the week anymore. See you in the comments. Like basışını unutmayın. Hayır, selamat bo'ling. Keyingi darsda ko'rishguncha.